Oh my God, Stewie, the little round thing on the ceiling just screamed at me when I made popcorn. I think it's haunted.
It's not haunted, you nitwit. That's a smoke detector. It saves lives by sensing smoke particles in the air.
So what? It's just sniffing my burnt popcorn?
In a way, yes. Some use ionization chambers that detect tiny particles, while others use photoelectric sensors that spot smoke with a beam of light.
And what happens if it runs out of batteries? Does it just quietly let me burn?
No, that's why it beeps annoyingly at 3 a.m., reminding you to replace the battery. Safety first, Peter.
Wow, so it's not haunted, it's a tiny ceiling guardian.
Precisely. Everyday engineering keeping you alive despite your culinary crimes.
All right, folks, drop a comment on what everyday thing you want me to almost break next, and don't forget to subscribe.